Hello, welcome back to Easy and Quick Learning. Today we are going to learn AP family words. Cap, 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 tap, 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 rap, 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 map, 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 lap, 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 nap, 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 gap, 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 clap, 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 flap, 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 slap, 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 trap, 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 snap, 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 pap, 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 zap, 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 zap. Congratulations! This was the end of lesson 6 AP Family Words. Keep practicing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next class.